Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that in the last 24 hours, the amount of money that's flown through the crypto market is crazy. Especially today morning, Bitcoin decided to break above 105,000. After that, there was a little bit of profit taking, which caused the market to fall down. Keep in mind, altcoins saw a lot stronger pullback as compared to Bitcoin. This is due to the fact that the outflow of cash for the altcoins was much greater. If you want to see that, you can also see that Bitcoin's trading volume climbed from 40 billion to 67 billion. But if you pay attention to the altcoins, there's not been a great difference. I mean, if you just look at Dogecoin, it's still sitting close to 3 billion. XRP is still sitting close to 6 billion. But XRP is definitely gearing up for something bigger, as that's the only token other than Bitcoin which is in the green by quite a margin. About 2%, it's definitely gearing up for $3, which is around the corner. There are some big things. Appears to be forming a bull flag. Still, the substantials recently presented a sell signal on the 4-hour chart, but breakout above $2.46 could send the price to $4. XRP buyback program to Japanese financial giant SBI. Ripple CTO drops RLUSD bombshell, don't FOMO into the stablecoin, and 300 million XRP outflows buy opportunity around the corner. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, especially Dogecoin, XRP, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video to help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy some more. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, recently I've noticed one thing relating to XRP. A lot of people want to know what is happening. So let me give you a little bit of an update. If you have been paying attention to the way the XRP market has been playing, it's very clear that it's acting very similar to something like Dogecoin, and that's why those two are getting compared so much. I mean, if you decide to search up any news article, you'll realize that a lot of them are talking about is Dogecoin or XRP, which one to buy to get the most gains. Now, if we talk about the XRP's moment, you can see that ever since, we have seen Gary not going to be part of SEC for a long time, Trump deciding to have a new pro-crypto relating SEC leader, XRP has been in a really strong uptrend. There's not been any substantial pullback which can lead to a sell-off, but right now, as the strong consolidation zone that we're stuck in, I mean, you can see over here, this consolidation actually started around the 11th of December, and ever since we've been sticking at the price of $2.35. But what does this mean? Well, in the long term, XRP is definitely gearing up for something big, because the amount of partnership that they're getting is just crazy. I feel like they're actually getting bigger partnerships with financial institutions as compared to Bitcoin, and that's a strong statement. Now, the biggest one being this one, which I have been paying attention to, is XRP buyback program proposed to Japanese financial giant SBI. So in an open letter to CEO of SBI Holding, investment called on the Japanese financial giant to adopt an ambitious XRP-focused strategy. So the Swiss-based investor urged the SBI to implement an XRP buyback program, adopting a strategy similar to MicroStrategy for Bitcoin accumulation approach. The letter highlights SBI's market undervaluation and proposes a plan that mirrors MicroStrategy's with Bitcoin. I mean, we have all seen how well MicroStrategy was able to do, and they have been listed on NASDAQ 100. So that's the reason. This is the idea that's been proposed. So rather than doing the same thing that they did with Bitcoin, try to do the same thing with the XRP. If this follows through, let me tell you one thing, the amount of profit that people will be making from this will be very, very impressive. On the other end, the open interest for XRP is seeing a little bit of a pullback. It's very similar if you pay attention, 2.6 billion, and that's pretty much exactly what Dogecoin's, open interest is also sitting on in the last 24 hours, and that's the reason why there is so much comparison. If we talk about Bitcoin, it's up by 5%, and it's definitely seeing a lot more inflow of cash. The substantial presents a sell signal on Bitcoin's 4-hour chart, anticipating a brief price correction before we see another explosive move forward. Let me tell you one thing, the way the whole market is performing right now, Trump is going to be a huge reason for how crypto is going to perform ever since like he gets into the office. I mean, in 2025, the way crypto is going to be playing out is going to be very heavily based on the way Trump is going to be leading the government. I mean, Trump may use Bitcoin as US reserve asset on day one. How high will Bitcoin price go? Now, if Bitcoin price decides to go over 130k, 150k, XRP, Dogecoin, they're all going to be climbing very, very quickly. And especially long-term Bitcoin holders often sell near the market top. Interesting, in 2021, 2017, their biggest sell-off occurred right before the market's final leg. Could we be on leverage of a similar trend? And the answer is yes. I mean, one thing you need to understand is we're definitely not around the point where we're already at the end of the market top. I think the market top end will be coming at the end of next year. Definitely not close right now. That's just my idea. And as XRP community awaits major news, experts predict how high XRP can rise. And a lot of people are definitely saying that we will be able to climb to some huge levels, especially after the release of the stablecoin. Stablecoin will definitely have a huge impact. There are some concerns which I have seen on Twitter with Luna and what happened with the stablecoin. So XRP will have to be a little cautious. And CNBC ranks XRP as the biggest winner in Trump-led crypto rally. I mean, I feel like the way XRP performed, Doge actually performed very similar. Doge will be climbing to $1, and both of them are going to be pretty much helping the whole crypto market get to a new idea. And top 3 price prediction, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple. Pretty much Bitcoin reaches a new all-time high of 106, Ethereum reaches 4,000, and Ripple finds a support at $1.96. As long as we're able to climb above the price of $2.46, $4 is pretty much around the corner. And the reason the market is so stuck in just a certain area is due to the Fed meeting that's going to be happening in just about 48 hours. And as soon as that happens, that's going to be having a huge impact on how volatile the crypto market will become. And that's why so many whales are deciding to sideline themselves until this huge volatile market decides to calm down. And can Doge overcome the market manipulation and shift the momentum amid the rising altcoin competition? There is a lot of competition for both of these, but the way that they're both performing in terms of trading volume and the way they're both doing in terms of market cap, they do have a long way to go, and I do not think any other altcoin will be outperforming them by a huge margin. That's all I'm going to say. But other than that, we do have a very, very good time, and definitely 2025 is going to be very, very good for the crypto market. Just be excited for the Fed meeting, and I'll see you very soon.